Okay, Math 098, we are finishing up section 1, 9.1, in case I mess up something along the line. So, in exercise 4, this problem's important because down the road in math, we need to be able to undo, so that's essentially what we're doing, is we're undoing a function composition. Now, it's not the biggest math task in Math 098, but it is an important thing. And my clue for students is to look for a group. And sometimes groups are hard to find. Look for a group, and that could be a parenthesis. It could be like the square root of a bunch of stuff, or it could be, I don't know, several things. But if we look at f of x, so capital F of x, it definitely has a group. It has an absolute value in here. So if that didn't show up, it's right here. Well, what I need to do is think about, well, can I make the absolute value go inside of something? Well, if you look at the inside of that, the inside of that is g of x. I hope you recognize that x minus 4 is on the inside. So it's g of x. I should have wrote this lower. Sorry about that. So really f of x, capital F of x I should say, is the absolute value of g of x. And so what I'm trying to get at is that this grouping symbol is really inside of another function, and that other function is the absolute value of x. So it's almost like we're replacing this x with g of x. So if I replace this x with g of x, I need to replace this x with g of x. So let me write it right here. So absolute value of g of x is really the same thing as h of g of x. And that's what capital F of x is equal to. Please don't let the capital letters be what's confusing to you. It's really understanding is, do you have a group that is inside of another group? And the order does matter. So if you're checking with the back of the book and your answer said g of h of x, but the correct answer is h of g of x, then you are wrong. And you might want to do some investigation as to why that's the case. So here's your first answer to this one. So let me just change colors and do capital G of x. But again, this one's difficult because there's no grouping symbols. However, what you could examine is that we have f of x is defined as 3x. So really what we're looking at is if I change 3x to be equal to f of x, which it is, using substitution, minus 4, the reason why I'm doing that is if I look at f of x in this problem now, it's replacing the x in this problem. So what that means is that we have g of, and I'm replacing, let me say this another way. If I'm replacing this x with f of x, then I need to replace this x with f of x. I like that explanation better. Well, just because I gave you 2 examples does not mean you automatically get this. Okay, so as you're working through the problems, feel free to write down your questions, bring them to class, or email me. We can set up a Google Meet. We can talk about this. If this is the first time you've ever learned composition functions, this task is very difficult, which is why I'm dedicating a little bit longer of a video to this one only. But you should be ready to do all of the problems if you understand everything fully. Otherwise, write down your questions and bring them to me. I want to answer your questions.